Hey guys, welcome to Progressive Recipe. Still on our event that happened back in Calabar during August time. Yeah, today we are making bread. Yes, this is the easiest way you can make your bread due to the background music here was so much. So we found it hard to hear our tutor's voice very well, and the background music was really affecting. I decided to use voiceover and narrate everything happening here. Though every measurement has been measured before she came, she measured everything out before coming for this event. So I'm putting up all the measurements on the description box below. But one thing I remembered here is that she measured everything in one bowl, placing a bowl on the scale, and you start by adding your flour, 1 kg flour, butter 150 grams, sugar 150 grams, salt 10 grams, vanilla flavor 1 teaspoon, yeast 15 grams, improver. Yeah, go to a baking shop. If you don't know what that is, you will get it. 5 grams preservative, 5 grams milk. Yes, that's powdered milk, 50 grams, and milk flavor. Yeah, she used milk flavor from Honeywell. The Honeywell is so good. So their milk flavor is excellent. Just a few drops, but if you want measurement, 1 teaspoon, vegetable oil 4 tablespoons, and water 500 grams. For the water, she measured 500 grams and decided to add little at a time. The reason is that, number one, some flours are better than the other. That is the reason why when you're baking cake, if you use 2 different flour to make the same recipe, you will get the different result. Yes, because the flours are different from different companies. Yeah, that is the reason why when you measure out your water, you don't need to add immediately everything. You need to add gradually till you have a soft gummy chewing gum texture. Yeah, when I mean chewing gum texture, just elastic texture. That is it. So right now she's adding her milk vanilla flavor. The next she will add the milk flavor. That's the milk flavor she is about to add right now. That is it. Yeah, all the ingredients are already here right now. Next thing is to send everything to our mixer. Yeah, we are using bread mixer today. If you have your normal cake mixer, you can still use for mixing this, but you have to put your hook. Yes, the hook in your mixer is for bread making. Yes, it's for those, so you have to use it for this particular recipe. Yes, so you have to allow it to mix at least for 45 to 1 hour. On a medium speed. Start from the lowest speed to the medium speed. Yes, if you're new to this channel, this is the first time of joining this channel, you're welcome. Sorry, I've been away for some time, but I am back. Yeah, I am back. Very soon you'll be getting back-to-back recipe because I'm fully back. I'm just putting things in place for the main thing to start happening in this channel like normal again. I'm so happy and excited to meet new friends today. Feel free to drop a comment. Feel free to like this video, and also feel free to join the family by clicking on the subscribe button. Feel free to subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend about Progressive Recipes. Some people know me as Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. Yes, we still the same person. You are hearing her voice today. Okay, right now we've transferred everything to the mixing bowl. Like I told you, our tutor said first, immediately I transferred all the ingredients, allow it to mix without no water for a while in a low speed, and you start by adding your water little at a time as you increase the speed. But this particular bread mixer was somehow misbehaving, so we have to support with our hands. Yes, we have to use our hands and hold it till almost 45 minutes for this bread or bread dough to be ready. Yes, if you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Feel free to like this video, feel free to comment, and also feel free to tell me the what you have tried in this channel before. You can see how elastic and gummy this dough is looking. That is the exact texture you need to achieve before you remove that. Yeah, so right now we have to remove everything out of the mixer. Straight, is time to make our dough ready to be baked. Right now, the only thing, due to the dough is very soft, you need to use your vegetable oil, not Crisco, not corn flour. Now all you need is just vegetable oil to make this dough not to slip or not to be gumming. Yes, it is that. So you can see how she is folding in this is the way you need to fold yours, especially when you're making bread. Yes, so the one thing about bread, if you go to a bakery, you will notice there are breads of different shapes and different sizes. So make your own the way you want. Right now the oven have been preheating for a while, so after placing the dough the way we wanted, or the tutor wanted, we allowed this dough to rest for 1 hour. Yes, we even covered the top, but you can allow yours this way for at least 1 hour or more, than no problem, but allow it to rise before you take to the oven. When it's already well risen, take to your oven and bake for the next 45 minutes to 1 hour. We baked this clip. Please make sure your oven is well regulated. It's very important. Every oven is not the same. Some use local, some use electric, some use normal oven. But I know by now every baker needs to know how his or her oven is functioning. So regulate yours the right way, at least on a medium heat, to make sure the bread is well done inside. Whenever the body is out with that beautiful golden brown texture and color. Right now the first one is ready, but this big one is not yet ready. We'll allow for a little while and we'll remove this, my dear. Like I said before, this is a trend happening in Calabar, so we have to start doing justice to this beautiful bread immediately. Testing the microphone. We started testing the bread without wasting time. This is an easy way of making bread, so there is no process. Add this first, and no, this is all in one method of way of making bread, and it comes out lovely, tasty and beautiful. So yummy. Everybody was rushing. Thanks a million for watching. If you have not subscribed, subscribe.